be humble as well, win or lose. And speaking of win or lose,
Matters most is my character, my respect for others, and the joy we share in this game. So help me God.
thank you, sir. And that in court number 1.
Mas pasangin yung dula lagi. Magkaroon mo naman ito. Taas man pa Hawaii.
Morning. So, for you to brief, no, for a few tournament reminders. So, I'm Brex, one of your tournament director for today's football tournament. Here are a few.
Pledge to uphold sportsmanship and fair play at all times.
Presenting to you the players for our final games of DC 33 Technical Club Non-Gender Football Beginners category. Fighting for third, June Sarek San Michael from Tacom City and Central Technical Club. Ay, mga display on. To you, the players for our final games. Next game, in court number 4, Zafra and Luigi versus Marco and Jonathan. Next game, court number 4, Zafra and Luigi versus Marco. Chris Carlo and Gina versus Pepe and Gara. Winner, Chris Carlo and Gina. Ladies and gentlemen, listening to you, the players for our championship games. Fighting for third, we have Aljun Aliaga and Art De La Cruz from Pick and Shot and Demolay chapter number 33 versus Chris Carlo Rabaya and GM Rabaya. Our championship games, we have Marco Chato and Jonathan Rodriguez from Family Court, Mati Aurora, Masonic Lodge number 190 versus Dean Ortiz and Buen Acevedo from DCBCI and DCBCI Davao de Oro.
Paul! Forty, 3-1. Check ball. Hey.